Welcome to Vitality Lab HQ. Your journey to peak performance starts here.
Welcome back to Vitality Lab HQ. Look at me. Honestly, look at this thumbnail. This isn't a character I'm playing. This was me for the last 4 hours. Just scrolling. Watching people I don't know, doing things I don't care about, while my actual work sits untouched. Dr. Max, I feel like I've lost control of my own head.
Alex, what you're describing is a modern-day epidemic. Your brain isn't broken, but it has been hijacked. Most people think they're lazy or unmotivated, but the truth is your brain's reward system is simply overwhelmed. Today we aren't just talking about a trend, we are doing a full neurological intervention.
An intervention? That sounds serious. Is it really that bad?
It is serious. Because the more you flood your brain with cheap dopamine, the higher your pleasure baseline goes. Eventually, normal life, reading, working, even talking to a friend, feels physically painful because it's not stimulating enough.
Okay, let's start with the basics. Everyone talks about dopamine as the happy chemical. If it makes me happy, why is it making my life miserable?
That is the biggest myth, Alex. Dopamine is not the molecule of pleasure. It is the molecule of anticipation and pursuit. It's the I want it chemical, not the I like it chemical. It's what drove our ancestors to hunt for food. But today the hunt is just a thumb swipe away.
So my brain thinks I'm hunting every time I scroll TikTok.
Exactly. And every time you see a like or a new video, you get a tiny spike. Your brain loves it. But here's the trap. Homeostasis. When your brain gets too much dopamine, it tries to balance it out by shrinking your dopamine receptors. It's like turning down the volume because the music is too loud.
So, if the volume is turned down, then normal, quiet things like studying feel like silence? I can't hear them anymore?
Perfect analogy. That's why you can't focus. You've turned the volume knob of your brain so far down that only screaming digital content can be heard. You aren't lazy. You are literally deaf to low-level stimulation.
Okay, I'm sold. I need my focus back. Tell me about this 24-hour reset. What are the rules? Can I at least check my email?
No, Alex. For 24 hours, we go into digital silence. Here's the protocol for our Vitality Lab members. Rule number 1, no screens, no phone, no laptop, no TV. Rule number 2, no digital music or podcast. Rule number 3, no junk food, no processed sugar or caffeine. Rule number 4, no social interaction, unless it's absolutely necessary. This is a journey inside yourself.
Wait, no music, no coffee. Dr. Max, people are going to close this video right now. That sounds like torture.
It will feel like torture for the first 4 hours. That is your brain going through withdrawal. But around hour 12, something magical happens. The noise in your head starts to quiet down. You start to notice the wind in the trees. You start to have original thoughts again.
So what can I do? Just sit in a dark room?
You can write in a journal. You can go for a walk in nature without headphones. You can meditate. You can stare at a wall and let yourself be bored. Boredom is the space where creativity is born.
So after the 24 hours, do I just go back to my old life? Won't I just get hijacked again?
Great question. The reset is just the reboot. To keep the system running, you must switch from cheap dopamine to high-quality dopamine. Cheap dopamine is passive. You sit and receive, like social media, junk food, and video games. High-quality dopamine is earned. You act and achieve, like exercise, finishing a project, or deep conversation.
So it's about the effort. If I work for it, the dopamine is cleaner.
Precisely. Earned dopamine doesn't cause the same massive crash. It builds a steady baseline of motivation. You'll find that after the reset, Doing the hard work actually feels good.
I'm not going to lie, this scares me, but being a zombie to my phone for the next 10 years scares me more. I'm doing the 24-hour reset this Sunday. I'm putting my phone in a drawer and locking it.
I'm proud of you, Alex. To everyone watching, your attention is the most valuable thing you own. Don't give it away for free to apps that don't care about you.
If you're with us, I want you to comment the word reclaim right now. It's a signal to yourself and this community that you're taking your brain back. We'll be checking the comments to support you.
Consistency and courage, Alex. That's all it takes. Once you reclaim your attention, you reclaim your life. Optimize your brain, optimize your life. We'll see you after the reset.
Subscribe for more protocols from the lab. Let's do this.